That sounds like someone tried to go to Tampa. Funny call the cops I don't give a honk shirt and made a typo on the itinerary. Southern Central and Eastern Idaho is a real potato country. Not so much Western Idaho. Check. Funny call the cops I don't give a honk shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. I was just in Idaho Falls last week and was funny call the cops I don't give a honk shirts very pleasantly surprised. Had a great meal, a couple of glasses of wine, and some awesome live music at Diablo's Kitchen. Beautiful. Other products.